The time is 2:30. I need to catch the boat at around 4:30 because I need to change my ticket. Yes, so that I arrive in Batam earlier, not in the evening. Oh no, Lord, please. Kaya to, kaya ka. Yes, dear everyone. Kaya to. Malapit na ako sa MRT. Yes. Dali na lang, sandali. Yes. Makakapot ako sa 420. Na Batam trip. Please, please, please. Abot po. Run. Yes, malapit na. The time is 2:45. Nakakapot ba ako? Yes, Jesus naman. Yes, thank you Lord. Makakapot ba ako? Thank you din sa ako. Kailangan kong kaabot. Yes. Kaabot ka na din. Still 3. Yes. Yeah. Nandito po ako. Nandito na ako. Sana makaabot ako. No, sana. I can catch the 420. Yes. Sandali. Malapit na. Mapa-change pa ako ng ticket ko. Kasi yung ticket ko is 550. Maghihintay pa ako ng katagalan. That's why I need to go earlier. Yes. Yeah. I hope I can catch the 420. I thank God I'm here na. Oh, it's still 3 o'clock. I hope I can, yes, change my ticket. Excuse me. Thank you. It's here. Where is the 3rd floor? Which floor is this? 2nd. I have 1 floor pa. Oh my God. Oh, ang daming relax. Relax, so kakabot ka yan. Relax. Oh no. I thank you, Lord. Ito lang. I hope I can catch the time. Yes, I will. Thank you. Good to see. Yes, nakaabot ako sa 420. Yeah, na-change ko yung ticket ko. Kasi yung sakay ko is 550. Ang tagal. Salamat Lord. Nakaabot ako. See you, Batam. Yes. You guys, let's just, yeah. Nakaabot ako sa 420. Yeah. 520 mo sana yung sakay. Pero thanks God, nakaabot ako sa 420. See you, Batam! Thanks, Lord. Uy, mag-tiktok